Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to do a fall olive green with orange and lime green makeup look. This is the look that I'm going to show you how to do. I wanted to change it up, do my full face and for my intro, and then go to show you the tutorial just for today. What I was saying at the end was that I was looking at my palettes and I remember that I had this e.l.f. by Size Eyeshadow in the shade Hot Jalapeño, this one, and I bought it last November for specifically for fall looks, and I have it in my old Ulta haul from last year. I can drop it down if y'all want. And I used it once and I'm barely using it again. This is like my second time using it, and it's like so little, so it's easy to get lost. It was right in the back of my drawer here, where I put like my palettes and makeup that doesn't fit right here on my desk. It was shoved in the back and I forget about it. This and other palettes. I think this is a perfect fall eyeshadow palette. And it's easy to use, it's blendable. I recommend buying these. They have different shades, but I bought this one specifically because I don't have olive green. But they have neutral colors, periwinkle shades, bright shades, golds, neutrals, browns, everything. So I've only tried this one from them, but girl, try it, buy it. I think this was, what, $4, $5, I don't know, but it's really inexpensive and the quality is good. Look, except actually no, I remember when I was using this one, it was hardly pigmented. I had to scrape it off literally like this with my brush and get the first layer out for it to work, but the rest were fine. I don't know why, but the first time I didn't have that issue. So yeah, I don't know. What was I gonna say? So yeah, oh yeah, and if you're starting makeup and you want to do makeup on other people, and it's really expensive to build your makeup kit, I recommend buying these instead. And also they're not heavy, so they're easy to carry. So yeah, I thought this is one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes from e.l.f. Like because the price, the quality, the different shades, just everything is like, wow. I love it. I recommend it. Everyone should buy one. Not this specific shade. There's different ones, but this, they're mini palettes. And it's cruelty free and vegan. That's a plus. Look. So yeah, I just wanted to share that. I think that's it. What else? Oh yeah, I forgot to use a black liner for this side. I forgot to line my eyes, so one eye has eyeliner and not the other eye. What else? Oh yeah, and the other eyeshadow, the lime green, was patching up. I don't know why. It's the first time it happened, so that's why it looks kind of funky. But yeah, I think that's it that I wanted to mention. I don't know. I hope that's it. So yeah, just keep on watching so y'all can see the tutorial on how I did this look. Okay, bye. See y'all next time. guys, now I'm gonna do my base. I'm gonna use the Airspun powder. What powder do y'all use? And do y'all have dry skin? Because this powder is not bad, and I have dry skin. So, it does patch up right here if I have dry, flaky skin when it's cold out, but overall it's not that bad. The only thing is that it smells like baby powder, like old lady, so if you don't like that smell, you're not gonna like it. But this has lasted me a long time. I should probably throw this out. Look how much I have left, and I bought this a few years ago. I know it's probably not safe. I don't think I've broken out by it, so it's fine for me. And it covers my veins, and I don't use concealer, so that's it. You can still peek, my veins still peek through, but for being a translucent powder and not like a pressed powder, it covers well, so I like it. For blush, I'm gonna use this one. Okay, for highlighter, this one. I forgot it does soft powder. Thank you for watching. Bye.